funoutifittersguide.com. Today I'm going to go over the features and benefits for the 2011 Z1 Snow Pro. The Z1 Snow Pro package comes standard with the deluxe gauge. It's an analog digital gauge here. Also has the IRP handlebars, which can be adjusted by loosening the buckle. You can move the bars forward and back. The Snow Pro also, Z1 Snow Pro also has the push button reverse, electronic reverse. Just push the button and it puts it into reverse for you. Z1 Snow Pro also has the 2-cylinder 4-stroke 1100cc engine, which is about 125 horsepower engine. The Snow Pro front suspension on these is the Fox Float 2 shocks. That is a air shock with no springs, no coilover springs. They also run the IRP seat, which is an infinite rider position, which can be adjusted by pulling the lever in the back, moving the seat up and down. They also have the punched running boards on the Snow Pro, which helps for snow elimination, snow and ice elimination, so you don't get ice buildup, snow buildup while you're riding, so your feet don't slip. Also has the running board edge, the gripped running board edge, so that your feet don't slide off the edge of your running board as you're riding. The Snow Pro also comes standard 1.25" track, better traction for the 1100cc engine. The Snow Pro also comes with the built-in 12-volt adapter, which is here, plugging in cell phones, GPS units, stuff like that. The Snow Pro also comes with the low profile LED taillight for better illumination while riding. Again, this is Jeff, funoutiffitters.com. You can reach us at 866-531-0123 or look us up on the web at funoutiffitters.com. Thank you.